Hey everybody, and welcome back to my station. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers. I really appreciate that, and the comments. It's really motivating me to keep moving on this channel. However, even though we're going to be doing balloon twisting tutorials, we're going to be doing a whole lot more than that. That's just be one part of my station, and stay tuned. I'll have my intro video up shortly, along with, I'm assuming, I'm going to start with a couple playlists and turn it into some more. So stay tuned. I'm kind of going with the flow here, but I have a great little idea and outline as to some of the things I want to share, and I'm really enjoying this so far. So I love the feedback and love the comments, and I'd like to answer everybody. So feel free to keep the good work up, and I look forward to sharing some more. So for this, balloon, we're going to need three hearts, green hearts. I'm using lime green, and one 260 green. I'm using lime green as well, and of course bling bling in terms of LED lights. So I'm going to start with a heart, a green heart, and I'm going to grab some bling bling LED lights. And like I say, I like to use two. I take the little tabs out, I guess is what you call them. This one is a solid light. I'm going to put the light inside the balloon, just like that, and take the other tab out of the other light, and this one is one that changes colors. I mix them all up and it's all good. So there's two different lights in here, one that's solid and one that mixes colors. I'm going to inflate this with my filbert pump. Just about like that. Tie the knot. Just like that. I'm going to put that to the side, grab my next heart, same thing. Got to take the tab out. This one looks like it's dead, but I got to tap it a little bit. Sometimes they come back alive on these lights. They're really funny. So let's do the next one. No light, so let's tap it a little bit. Nothing. Let's try a few more. And sometimes they take a minute. So here's one. It's changing colors. I'll put that inside. And that's why I like to put two, because you just don't know it. Sometimes, too, it's really weird with these lights. They won't work, and all of a sudden they'll pop on a couple hours later. It's really bizarre. I'll put them in the trash. I'll see, like, the lights are lit. And I'm like, what is going on? So I tell you, don't throw them away immediately, because when they say there's light, right? So I'll put the second one in there. And I'm going to inflate this the same amount as the other heart. And you want to look at your, other balloon. Just kind of scale it. This one has too much air in it. To make sure they're about the same size by eyeballing it, right? So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to tie these two nozzle to nozzle together, just like so. And I'm going to put this to the side. I'm going to get another heart, my third one. I could do a 4-leaf clover, but I'm doing a 3 today. I think it sits better on the hat. Okay. Again, the tab. This one's working. Put this one inside, just like so. And the second one, tab, and it's working, yay. And we'll put that right inside. And we will inflate this with our filbert pump. Okay, and I want to make sure I look at the other one, let a little air out to make sure it's about the same size as eyeball it. Okay. I'm now going to take a 260, same color, lime green, okay, right here, or close to the same color. Inflate it, and probably leave maybe like two, I dropped my hat, 2 fingers at the very, or 1 or 2 fingers at the very end. Let a little air out, tie it. From the nozzle, what I want you to do is make 2 ear twists. Make a 1-inch bubble and pull the nozzle down really firmly. Twist, twist, twist. And the second bubble, same size, and create a second ear twist. Twist, twist, twist. Okay? I want you to take the 2 balloons tied together, wrap them around the 2 ear twists, and around a couple times, and put these sort of to the side of each ear twist, just like that. Then take the single one and wrap it around the middle section of the 2 ear twists. You can tie them all together, but I think this is easier in terms of like how they're supposed to sit as a clover. So that way you got one sticking straight up and then the 2 right out. Pretty simple. Your end of the balloon, you want to squeeze, so that way you get some air to the end of the balloon, just like that. On this round part, make a 1-inch bubble. Okay, I'm kind of glad my hat fell off, so that I can show you. It, of course, you want to try to measure it around, okay, approximately of who you're making it for. And remember, if it's too small, you can always stretch the balloon by going just like so. Now, you have your clover up here. You want to make an ear twist here to secure this so it's not so heavy, okay? And sometimes even a second one. But this, I think, will do. Bend it a little bit and give it a little definition, if you will. So I'm bending in 2 different directions, but kind of forward and up. And then place it on your head. And there you go. Pretty simple. I think I'm going to do it this way. I might do another ear twist, actually. I'm going to do one more ear twist in here. I think it's going to give it a little more security. And just like that. There we go. I'm just trying to make some adjustments here. I think that looks better. There we go, everybody. That is your St. Patrick's Day balloon hat. Simple but impressive. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget the bling bling and have fun. Over and out.